Ali the boy was a barefoot boy in a dusty village with big dreams and a humble heart. He lived with his mother and helped her by shining shoes at the market. They didn't have much, but his father, who had passed away the previous year, had left him something far more valuable than riches. One hot afternoon, Ali the boy was walking home when he noticed something shiny in the dirt. He bent down and picked up 2 bright silver coins. His heart raced. I could buy food, or maybe slippers for school, Ali the boy thought. But as Ali the boy stared at the coins, his father's voice echoed in his mind. If it doesn't belong to you, it's not truly yours. Ali the boy sighed. He couldn't keep them. Ali the boy walked through the market, asking if anyone had lost their coins. Shopkeepers shook their heads. Just keep them, boy. They're yours now, they said. No, they're not mine. Tired and a little hungry, Ali the boy sat beneath the old tree. Just then, he saw an old man nearby, trembling and tired, asking passers-by for water. No one stopped. Ali the boy looked at the coins, then he looked at the old man. He stood up, bought bread and water, and gave them to the man. The old man smiled with tears in his eyes. You've done for me what kings forget to do. Suddenly, a golden glow surrounded the old man. He stood taller, brighter, no longer weak. Then, with a twinkle in his eye, he vanished, leaving behind a small leather pouch. Ali the boy opened it and found a golden seed and a note. Plant this where your heart dreams. Anyone who eats from its fruit will carry your wish forward. Ali the boy planted the seed in the village square. Days passed. A sprout appeared. Weeks later, a glowing tree with wide leaves and golden fruit grew. One day, a traveler took shelter under the golden tree, ate a fruit, and thanked Ali. That night, Ali the boy wished for school admission, and the very next day, the village teacher came to his door, offering him a free place. Later, a woman ate from the golden tree and blessed him. Ali the boy wished for good grades, and his marks began to soar. Each time someone ate from the golden tree and thanked him, Ali the boy made a new wish, for knowledge, for confidence, for ideas, for strength. And step by step, Ali grew from a shoeshine boy to a student, from a student to a graduate, and from a dreamer to a successful young businessman. Kids, what you learn from this story, even if something is in your hands, if it doesn't belong to you, it's not truly yours. And the more you give, the more life gives back. Seems you didn't like my story. Don't you like and subscribe, Ma?